What if the government bureaucracy was so powerful that it officially outlawed the afterlife and banned reincarnation without a state license? Today, we are investigating 5 deeply unsettling and mind-bending facts about China that sound completely fictional. Get comfortable, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Imagine a highly advanced nation where tens of millions of citizens live permanently in caves. These are not primitive survivalists or hermits. In China's Shanxi province, entire generations reside in yaodongs, traditional homes carved directly into the yellow Loess cliffs. Far from being dark caves, these subterranean apartments are equipped with electricity, running water, and high-speed internet. Scientists consider these cave cities incredibly eco-friendly and energy efficient, as the dense rock naturally keeps them cool in the scorching summer and warm during freezing winters. Unbelievably, the population of these underground cities is larger than the entire population of Australia. What if the government claimed total control over your soul even after you leave this earth? It sounds like a dystopian movie, but in 2007, China's State Administration for Religious Affairs officially issued Order No. 5. This law strictly prohibits Tibetan Buddhist monks from undergoing reincarnation unless they submit a formal application and receive official government approval beforehand. This bureaucratic mandate was designed to give the state total authority over selecting the next Dalai Lama, effectively declaring that no Holy Spirit can cross into the next life without a registered state license, proving that bureaucracy has conquered the afterlife. Case number 3. A construction boom so colossal that it literally reshapes the geological footprint of our planet in days. Between the years 2011 and 2013, China mixed, poured, and consumed more concrete than the United States used during the entire 20th century. Think about that comparison. Every single highway, bridge, skyscraper, and mega dam built across America over 100 years of industrial history was completely surpassed by China in just 3 short years. The sheer scale of Chinese infrastructure is beyond human comprehension, transforming rural landscapes into futuristic megacities in a matter of months using a massive ocean of cement. Imagine entering a highly secure police compound, only to be ruthlessly attacked by a flock of angry birds. In several provinces, including Xinjiang, local law enforcement agencies actually prefer using highly trained guard geese instead of traditional service dogs. Geese possess incredibly sharp hearing, remarkable night vision, and are deeply territorial by nature. Most importantly, unlike easily distracted dogs, geese can never be bribed or quieted with food by clever intruders. The moment a stranger enters their territory, they unleash a deafening, honking alarm and aggressively assault the intruder with their powerful wings and beaks, causing massive panic and leaving thieves utterly trapped. Did you know that building a massive defense structure destined to stand for thousands of years required a secret culinary ingredient? When ancient builders constructed the legendary Great Wall of China, they utilized a highly unusual mortar recipe. Modern chemical analysis revealed that the secret binder holding the massive stones together contains amylopectin, a complex carbohydrate found in sticky rice. This organic compound blended with slaked lime to create a powerful, flexible glue that prevented moisture from penetrating and gave the wall incredible resistance to devastating earthquakes. Essentially, this historic wonder is a giant brick and rice pudding that has stood strong against the elements for over 2,000 years. Which of these bizarre Chinese secrets shocked you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button to join our search for truth, and click the next video on your screen to keep exploring.